In this video, I want to show you how you can grow your small trading account very fast. If you will follow the process and the steps I'll be giving to you in this video, your trading account will experience a very good leap in no distant time. This week, we had a very lovely trade and several trades actually, but this one actually fascinates me so much. I love this trade. Look at how I shared in our Telegram community about this odd USD setup, and I said that the price was going to come to this demand zone and buy. And guess what? The market did come to the demand zone and there was a very lovely buy. This is a lovely setup, and if you are in our Telegram community, you're going to see how we take trades and how I share setups and how those setups play out. If you are not in our Telegram community, you are doing yourself a disservice, because in that community I share free setup analysis that can help you to trade at your own discretion and help you to become a better trader. All right, so how can you grow your small forex account very fast? I'll be sharing with you tips you will not find any other place on YouTube. These tips, if you follow these tips, you're going to grow your small trading account very fast and in a very safe way, because it's one thing to grow your account and it's another thing to grow it safely. All right, the first thing you need to do is to open a low spread account with a regulated broker. All right, you need to open a low spread account with a regulated broker, because the safety of your fund is very important. Okay, in as much as you want to grow your account, you need to also ensure that your funds are safe, and the best way to secure your funds is if you have those money in a regulated broker that offers you a low spread account. Now, the second thing you need to do, you need to ensure that you have a reliable strategy, right? A reliable strategy that makes more money than it loses money. No strategy has 100% win rate, but there are some strategies that are far better than others. In this YouTube channel, you would go to the strategy section. You're going to see different strategies, a whole lot of strategies that I have made videos on. You're going to learn the strategies, backtest them, and decide which one is best for you. If you want me to teach you my personal strategy, the one that I use to trade, join my Telegram community. Also, you might want to join my one-on-one mentorship, and I'll coach you and I'll show you all you need to know to become profitable. And I'll teach you my strategy one-on-one, take you by the hand until you become a very profitable trader. These strategies, I've traded this strategy for years, over and over again, and I know the in and out of that strategy, and I know all it takes for that strategy to work, and I can show you this strategy. If you join my one-on-one mentorship program, I will teach you all you need to know about all my strategies and how you can succeed trading them. You need to take high probability trades using a reliable strategy. So that strategy is very important. You need to have that strategy that works, that wins more trades than it loses. Okay, strategy that wins more trade than it loses. Very important. That has over 60 or over 70% win rate. Okay, and even if you have that strategy that has a higher reliability, high win rate, you need to take high probability trades. When I say high probability trades, I mean you need to ensure that whatever trade you want to take meets all the conditions of the strategy, right? The problem with most traders is that they are impatient. When they see a setup for their strategy, they don't wait until all the checklists. You need to have a list of checklists, things that you look out for before entering a trade, even using a strategy. Okay, two or more traders can be using the same strategy, but one can be more successful than the other, because one of those that is successful is patient and is disciplined to wait for all the conditions of the strategy or the setup to play out before entering the trade. The third thing you need to know if you want to grow your forex trading account is to trade during high volume sessions. Now, you need to avoid sessions that are low volume sessions. The best time to trade the forex market is during the London session or the New York Open. From the London session, all right, which is 7 a.m. or 8 a.m. GMT up till 3 p.m. GMT. All right, in that session, you'll still have the New York Open. That is the right and the best time to trade the forex market. So the reason is because when you see a setup that is good and you are trading it in the wrong session, the setup may not work. So it's better you wait until you trade setups only on high volume sessions. That will help your strategy to work, and also help it to give more probability of success to your setup. The fourth thing you need to know is, or you need to do, is to take trades with high risk to reward ratio. If you want to grow your trading account, do not do 1:1 risk to reward ratio. Take trades with at least 1:2 risk to reward ratio. Even better if you go for 1:3 risk to reward ratio. And not all strategies can give you a high risk to reward ratio. But my strategy, demand and supply strategy, smart money concept strategy, can give you up to 1:3 and even more risk to reward ratio, because you need to ensure that each time you win a trade, you are gaining more than you would lose. To take trades with a 1:3 risk to reward ratio and above, that will help you to grow your account fast. It will compensate for any loss you have and also give you net profit into your account. Now, the fifth thing you need to know is you need to take trades using smaller time frame. Day trading is better to grow a small account than swing trading. You need to understand this concept. Day trading is far better and easier to grow your account than swing trading. Trade on lower time frame, like 15 minutes time frame, 30 minutes time frame, 5 minutes time frame. Those time frames are for day trading. Now, when you do trade on day trading, you have trading opportunities almost every day, 1 or 2 setups every day. And you need to be in the market. You need to have trading opportunities in order to take trades. And just when you take such trades, you should be able to make profit that will grow your account. So I would advise that you do day trading using smaller time frames, like 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 5 minutes. Those time frames will help you to grow your account because they will provide more opportunities, trading opportunities for you in order to grow your account. Now, the sixth thing that you need to do is need to use proper risk management. Now, it is one thing to make money, but what is more important is for you to secure or preserve the money you make. So you need to use proper risk management. You can make a whole lot of profit over the months, but it takes one act of irresponsibility, one act of poor risk management in order to wipe all those profits away. That is to say, risk management should be a daily and a consistent part of your trading process. Okay, you need to ensure that you are using good risk management every day. Do not risk more than 1% of your account per trade. Okay, and do not hold more than 2 trades per time. 2 things I've said. Number 1, do not risk more than 1% of your account per trade. And number 2, do not hold more than 2 trades per time. In doing so, you are preserving your account from market volatility. You are preserving your account from unexpected eventualities in the market. Okay, and also you must ensure that you use a stop loss at every point in time. Do not trade without a stop loss. If you trade without a stop loss, you are vulnerable to market uncertainties. But if you trade with a stop loss, the maximum you can lose in a trade can be predetermined and can be controlled. So ensure you use good risk management, use position sizing, limit your risk to 1% per trade maximum, and do not hold more than 2 trades per time. This will help you to ensure that you're using good risk management. Another thing you can as well do is to deposit into your trading account from time to time. You might have like a side job, like a main job, a 9 to 5 job that provides income. From there, you can as well monthly deposit a certain amount of money into your trading account until your trading account grows to a point whereby it can sustain itself. You can deposit funds into your trading accounts from time to time, because each time you grow your account, your risk per trade will remain at 1%, but the actual amount you are risking would increase because your account has increased. So that is why you need to deposit frequently into your trading account. Now, the 8th thing is that you compound your trading profit. That is to say, you can reinvest the profits you made into your account without withdrawing it, because each time you make profit, your account grows. Now, when you are taking another trade, you are now risking 1% of the amount, the grown account you have in your account. Let's say, for example, you have 1,000 pounds or dollars in your account, and you made a profit of $100 or $50. Okay, now when you are taking your next trade, you are risking 1% of your total amount in your account, including the profit you just made. So that in that way, you are now able to make more profits because you are risking 1%, but a higher amount of the 1% that you are risking. So what I'm saying is, in essence, is that you can actually reinvest your profit and not withdraw it if you want to grow your account. Now, you not have to do this forever, but at the time you want to grow your account, you can invest your profit so that this can help your account to grow to their desired amount before you can start withdrawing profits from time to time. Now, do I give you some extra tips? Yes. So you need to seek prop firms funding if you can pass the challenge. Now, this is not advisable for everybody, because sometimes you can lose a lot of money trying to pass challenge. That is to say, only go for prop frames challenge if you feel and if you think you can pass the challenge. I've made different videos on this YouTube channel on how you can pass your prop firm challenges. Okay, I've made a whole lot of videos on that subject. So if you want to see how you can pass your prop firm trading challenge, go search on prop firm. All right, type prop firm on the search bar of this YouTube channel. It will come out. The videos I've made will come out, and you can see the strategies and the techniques that you can apply to pass your prop firm trading challenge. Okay, so now that is one way you can use. That is one strategy you can use to grow your account, because when you subscribe to prop firms and you are successful, you're able to be funded with a large amount of money that you can trade and in turn make more profit. You need to be patient with the process. Now, everything good takes time, so do not be in haste. Forex trading is not a get rich quick scheme. It is rather a get rich slow scheme. You need to be patient, take it easy, gradually. Rome was not built in a day. Block by block a house is built. So take things easy with yourself. Be patient with the process. Gradually, over time, your account will grow if you follow all the strategies that I've listed and I've mentioned in this video. Now, if you're here to join our free Telegram community, do not fail to do so. In that community, as you know, I share free setups and analysis that you can use to trade at your own discretion. If you found value from this video, kindly give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, like this video, and in doing so, you are motivating me to make more useful content that will help you to grow and become better at your trading. And if you want me to mentor you one-on-one, help you to become a profitable trader, do not fail to contact me. My contact detail is in my free Telegram community, and the link to my free Telegram community is in the description box of this video. All right, so till I come your way next time with another useful content, do have a wonderful day ahead. Bye.